Okay, it's time to leave this one horse town. That is literally it. Just had to stop at the side of the road because this view is fantastic. Look at that. That's just where we've been. Back there. And we're just coming back up the coast now, but we saw this on the way and there wasn't anywhere really to stop. And there's a macaw there.
Two.
Just flying over. Another magical scene from Costa Rica. No, actually, this might have been the stop that we were thinking about. Look at that. Wow. That last part actually was for sale. There was a sale sign for the patch of land. This one has two? Yeah. So yeah, we'll check it out, see how much this, we'll have a little look on the internet when we get to our next place and see if we can find out how much this plot of land is. But you could have this view. That is incredible. Wouldn't need a TV, would you?
Okay, so I've just arrived at our next accommodation by the big tree. There's the big tree. It's a little sleepy. It's a
Are we
village.
supposed to get through this? Yeah.
You're okay. So there it is. It's not meant to be ready until 2 o'clock and it's just 12:30, but it doesn't look like there's anybody here cleaning. So maybe it's already been cleaned or it hasn't been cleaned. So we'll see.
So here's the second to last accommodation. Through the door. And this is what we got. A kitchen. A bed. And a lane. And a view. TV. Right, look at that for a view. Already seen a few birds just flying about out there. Bit marshy land ones. Bathroom. Pretty standard. Hello. And then up the stairs to a mezzanine. Office for all little card company work. Second bed. And possibly even better view outside. And what else do we get? We get the world's largest AC unit. That's massive. I know, bloody big fan. So it's all pretty good. And Elaine got a deal on this one, surprise, surprise. I think, I can't remember what it was on for, but I remember that they came down a little bit and she asked if they could do it for £80 for 2 nights, and they came back and said yeah, go on then, for cash. So yeah, this is our house for the next 2 nights. Job done. Wow, we've got a lot of bird song going on here. We've got 2 trees that are full of egrets that just keep on coming down in tens all the time. Don't think you can fit any more in. You've got over here a tree there that's full of melodic blackbirds. Yes, that's actually their name. You've got a southern house wren in here that's competing. And then you've got, where have they gone? You've got some moorhen kind of things down here. They don't actually make much noise, they just like fight. And then you've got a tree full of grackles over there. And all and all it makes a sound a little bit like this. Could be interesting at 5 o'clock in the morning. This is getting crazy. Look at this. More's coming. More incoming. Oh my god. You know, there's always one person that does a hell of a lot of Christmas lights, don't there? They want to outdo their neighbours, and I think we found them. Or is that the park?
Yeah, that's the park.
Oh, okay. That's a change of narrative. Off out in this very sleepy little town, trying to find somewhere to eat. It's, what time is it?
9 minutes past 6.
And as you can see, it is pretty jet black. It's,
But look at that sky.
yeah, the sky's a real mauve tonight, and we've got a tiny little slither of a moon. It's really pretty. And we've just booked our final lot of accommodation as well. We're going to treat ourselves. Probably the most expensive that we've done this holiday, is it?
Yeah, in a location that we weren't going to go to.
Yeah, but it's an hour closer towards the airport. It's really nice accommodation, to be fair.
And that's all we want for the last couple of days.
Yeah,
Relax by the pool.
it looks like it's got a really nice pool area, and if we don't do anything apart from chill out, we'll be quite happy with that. And then leave on Christmas morning for the airport. Right.
Ooh,
Whoop, what was that?
look at it.
Oh, it's a big
That's massive.
he's a big dude. Should we help him?
Yeah, just use my flip-flop on it.
Yeah. Go on. There you go, mate. Ooh, you're welcome.
And then my flip-flop back. Don't bite. We helped you.
Remember.
Gosh,
See ya.
that's massive.
God, he was like a transformer, wasn't
You could eat it.
he? Yeah, there would be a lot of protein in that.
We've got a Wild West saloon.
Yeah, we've got a restaurant. Oh yeah.
Fortunately, it's closed.
Yeah, but it's for sale.
Yeah.
So if you'd like a Wild West saloon.
Kind of centre, maybe.
Yeah, it's the centre
Small town.
of Puerto Cortes. We don't want chicken tonight, do we? We've got food in there. Okay. Juice. What we've got down there. So we had that soda there, back there.
Yeah.
It looked like the kitchen was shut, but she did wave at us to get us in.
Oh, okay. So
Looks like most things down here is shut. I think basically there's that one soda or the chicken shack.
cafeteria's closed.
Yeah. What's that? El Pozo. Yep. That's
Yeah,
El
it's Chinese.
Dog.
This place is closed.
What?
As in the
Yeah.
Cortes and
I think we might be going back to that soda.
yeah.
You bring me to some of the most random places, Elaine.
I can't do this. Let's go for the good, the bad, and the ugly. I can't whistle.
Shall I I'm shocking at whistling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We go this way or that's it, something like that.
They're very, very strange little houses here, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're all like a Wild West town, isn't it? Like you said.
That's what it makes me think of. Is it
Yeah.
these wooden places like that one that was for sale?
The Restaurant of Kings. It's got a lot to live up to, this one. What do you think, Glenn?
What do you think? What opinion is yet?
You wanted to come over here.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, have a little look. In the end, we decided to go with Chinese. We got mixed Cantonese rice and chop suey. Oh, okay. It's about 5:30 in the morning. It looks like we've got 2 magnolia trees over there. It's the noise of Costa Rica. It's one hell of a cool place again, to be honest with you. I've said it before, but the accommodation over here beats most of the places, most of the countries that we've been to, for the price. Obviously you can get great accommodation wherever if you want to pay some good money, but yeah, here you can sort of like pick up things really nice for about £60 a night. Oh, we've got some chucks in the garden now. Come to join us. And the egrets are all leaving the tree. We've got these guys that we were trying to get photographs of last night. They're like little moorhens. They're like a little waterfowl. But they're really colourful. They've got bright yellow wings when they take off. And they're quite comical as well. And they like fighting with each other, which is quite funny. And then there was none. Sure, they'll be back again tonight. And the sun's come up. Smooth-billed Annie. They're quite weird looking actually. They're a cuckoo apparently. We've got 3 just landed. I thought it was a grackle first of all, but they've all just, there's a group of about 10 of them have just turned up, clucking away. Very nice, just chilling here, having morning coffee, waiting for Elaine to wake up. On the balcony, and listening to all the birds and trying to spot a few different ones. Feel very chilled out. Apart from our neighbours keep on doing some funny noises over there. What a view from the bed. Ah, that's not a bad thing to wake up to, is it? Same when you're doing the washing up. Oh yeah. Got some really pretty little aspects from different windows. I'd say that's the owner's mum and dad's place. Little small holding. A summer Danica. Look at that little beauty. So red. Unbelievable, like, he's even redder when he starts flying. That was southern house wren. I think that's a kingfisher just going off over there.
So Monday, 22nd of December, we stayed in Cortes last night. We had a really nice cabin type thing, quite modern but really comfortable. And we're now driving to Sierpe, where the river is, so they do mangrove tours there. We're going to see, maybe might do one tomorrow, we're not sure, but a gorgeous day, 30 degrees, 11:15, just enjoying the gorgeous palm trees. Not sure what they're grown for, actually can't see fruits on them, so be interested to find out.
Quite a big iguana there. Can you see any crocodiles, Elaine?
No. Thankfully.
Would you like to walk the plank, Elaine?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's hot, you could go for a swim.
Unfortunately, I haven't got my swim shorts with me.
Those shorts will be alright.
I don't think so. I don't like to get these ones wet.
Could you just sign this first, please?
I think you're a much better swimmer than me. I've always said that about you.
No,
the way
definitely not.
I can remember in Gran Canaria, you used to do lengths every day, maybe 30 or 40. I reckon that's probably like across that river.
Oh, but
And back. I'll get you a Coke in.
it was a very small pool.
Professional photographer, number one. So, just having a little look around Sierpe would be... There's not a great deal here, eh? No, it's a little bit like the place that we're stopping at the moment. It's about 2 streets. They all do either fishing tours or mangrove croc tours.
Take you to Drake Bay or
Yeah, there's a
Cortes.
boat taxi service down to Drake Bay. But Yeah, we checked out 2 prices so far. They're both the same. One was a little bit sort of like pushy and the big boy, and then there's another one that we're possibly leaning towards.
We'll still try some more,
Yeah,
to be fair.
I think if we price at one more,
Yeah.
and I'm pretty certain they'll come in with exactly the same
Yeah,
price.
I think Monopoly is set and everybody is the same, more or less.
So it's $120 for 2 people to go on a 3.5 to 4 hour tour. So what's just happened?
We booked a tour.
Yeah.
Hopefully a really good one.
Yeah. So a guy just came up to us in the park, didn't he?
Yeah.
And he said, "Do you want to go on a tour?"
We haven't given him any money yet, so it's
No.
not too bad.
He basically had been listening in our conversation and in a tourist office, and he said, "Well, I do private tours, and I will take you out in a crocodile infested river if you only pay us $50 each instead of $60. And we went, "Yeah, please." He said, "Meet us early in the morning and don't tell anyone where you've come." No, he's got some friends apparently from Canada, and he's doing a private tour, and he's asked us if we wanted to join him for $100, which obviously will be extra in his pocket, but we're also getting a cheap deal as well, so we saved about 15 quid.
Yeah.
So it's a nice little saving.
Seems like a really nice guy.
And it does seem like a really
I
nice
hope
guy.
it's genuine, but instinctively we feel good about him, so we'll
Yeah.
see.
Feel very safe.
Yeah.
Yeah. He
seemed genuine.
He does. So we're booked in for tomorrow morning about 6:30 to 7 o'clock. He's just got to let us know this afternoon. He's going to see if his friends want to go a little bit earlier, because it would work better for us if we went at 6:30 for the checkout at our hotel, but if not, we can work our way around it.
We can.
It'll be good, won't it? Looking forward to it?
Yes.
Cool. Alright. That'll do.
Ciao.
Bye-bye. So what do we have here, Elaine?
Stone spheres
Alright.
created by the Diquis culture. Diquis.
Oh, Diquis.
Diquis.
Yep.
Your child. They don't know exactly why they made them, but they did make them.
But the other idea is that they were cannonballs used by
Tara.
the god of thunder.
Is that what it said?
Yeah.
Thunder.
I took notice of that
You
one.
liked that bit?
Yeah, I thought that. I reckon they're probably right. Look, there's a few of them around
They
here.
are very, very perfect.
They are. About 500 BC.
I don't know if it was BC because it said CE, and I'm not sure what that means.
Well, the 500 CE then.
Because we have what, AD and BC, don't we?
Yeah. Cool. What is this doing on a kid's playground? Very strange. Tell me, Elaine, give me some historical facts.
So it's the Baldwin Locomotive 84.
Yep.
And it was brought here in 1935 to transport bananas, people and merchandise to different commissars of the communities in the region. Years later, in 1976, the Banana Company introduced locomotives that used diesel fuel for its operation. These machines were much larger compared to the old steam engine.
So they just got rid of them.
Yeah, got rid of them.
Very cool. Can you get on it?
You're going to be the train driver.
Not going on that side.
Has it got holes in?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Yeah, that's also
Completely gone.
completely gone there. Yeah. So, yeah, do you want to pass me the phone?
It's got a passenger carriage up there as well.
Ooh. Oh, you saw enough. Look at that. Yep, definitely won't be going in there. Maybe you can get in from the other side. Look at that.
Just imagine the heat that would have come off.
Yeah.
Oh, it's massive, isn't it?
It is massive, yeah. Just be careful with your step, because as I say, some of it is very thin.
Oh my god, you're not going in there.
No. Yeah, that's perfect. Wow. I'm not going to go much further because it might just give way, and that would be a really bad end to the holiday. Yeah. That's very cool. I'll get down, you can have a look. I'll say I haven't walked in. You just grab the phone. Thank you. And I'm going to, can you get a pic of me doing the boop boop.
What? How does it go?
You've got to get the train. It's not just me. I'm not the star of this. The train is the star.
Okay.
And I want to go.
Do it then. Do your best one.
Oh, dog's.
Dog's going.
He's going to watch now.
Dog's
Okay.
going. That's rubbish,
Dog's
man.
watching.
No.
That first plate's okay.
So that's solid as well.
Yeah.
Would that be in water?
Don't know, babe. It's an impressive piece of kit, isn't it? Oh, that was how it was done. Cool. I bet all the kids used to love playing in this until people started getting injured. Whoa. Hi, big guy. Sandwich time. We're not going out tonight. We're going to watch something on Netflix. And so, guess what I've done? I've gone out and splashed out. I bought some cheese slices. Yum yum. Wow, this is like an episode of MasterChef. There we go. I present to you ham, cheese and cucumber with a little sprinkling of mayonnaise.